All right, guys, welcome back to the channel Trading Simplified. Today, I just want to go over some news. Let's go over some charts. Let's take a look at NVDA. It has been trading within this channel, and it finally broke this descending pattern, moving from about $142 all the way down to 104. Had a nice pop, and now it is retesting this resistance level at 117. There are two levels that you need to watch with NVIDIA. Will it break 117 tomorrow? And if it does, it is definitely trending towards this resistance area at 126. That's where we had the massive break, retest, and then fail. Let me show you. Right here, it was 135, broke through this support at 126, 127, sold off, went into rejection zone around 125.5, sold all the way back down to 105. So definitely be on the lookout, watching for NVIDIA. You can either try your short position around 117. If it rejects, great. You have that downwards momentum. If it doesn't do that, if it breaks 117, look for a support level around that area for a pushback up to 126. That's definitely where I'd be looking. Tesla. Looking at Tesla here, you have clear resistance here around $265. You also have the movement of 250 that is struggling. Tesla needs to break out of this 250 level. If it cannot break this level, just be cautious. It's right here. You can clearly see it. So tomorrow, see where it goes. See if you get that rejection at 250. If you want to try a short there, I understand. So you might be looking for this type of move. Let me just show you real quick. Looking right here, you get this move up to here and then rejection back down. That's one possibility. The next possibility is Tesla breaking above this 250 level and then moving up to its 269, 270 resistance level. Definitely take a look at that. QQQ, as you can see, QQQ has been weak. We are on this downwards trend. If the NASDAQ 100 continues to be weak, we need the big guys to step up, the NVIDIAs, the Teslas, the Googles, to get this up. Right now, 541 down to 466. There's clearly resistance. There's clearly a support forming here around 467, but we cannot ignore the fact that it did make a lower low from 467 all the way down to 466 today. If QQQ cannot hold this level around 470, I think we are headed for more downside. Look at this steep decline right here. But look at the big picture. The big picture is still intact. Yes, you have this big decline, but you have this ascending pattern just moving up off of support, and now it finally broke its first leg. $450 would be the first place if you were going to start dollar cost averaging into QQQ. I could understand why, because you have the support right here around 440 to 450, and you've had multiple touches. Right here you had a touch, right here you had a touch, and now it is going towards this with the 1-year RSI at 38. Next stock I want to show you, I've been buying this like crazy, is Google. We're going to see if I'm going to pay the price on this. I'm holding them long term anyway. I do see a support here around this 160 range. This is something I'm watching on the long-term trend. You can see it is pulling like this. So for me, it's a buying opportunity. If you're trying to be more patient, I completely understand. I think 150 to 155 is definitely a place where you will find support. You can see where you had the previous resistance here, held by support, and now we are inches away, 162 down to 150 to 155. Definitely a possibility to see that. Next stock, Chipotle. I believe there's more downside coming. It is about to break its resistance at $48 per share. If we can break that, this will follow the long-term trend where I'm hoping we can get some shares around $41 to $43, start picking up. If this trend breaks, we are going to sell off. That is for a fact. Another 10 to 12%. Down to about $38 to $40 is where I see your support coming in. PLTR, this is finally starting breaking off. This is great to see. If you're looking to get entries on PLTR, be patient. I'm waiting for about $45 per share. This is a nasty rejection right up here at 125. Massive selling pressure with these red volume candles. Be very patient. Just let it sell off for now. I wanted to bring up Costco. Costco is another stock that if you look on the 1-year chart, all it's done is nice off of this trend go. Now we finally broke off. We are trading within here, and we're looking at support around this $870 range. So I'm definitely looking out for that. Be cautious, dollar cost averaging if you're going in. Just remember the trend is broken for now. If you guys are interested, definitely check out the membership tab. When I do my live streaming on Wednesday mornings and on the weekend, if you want a live chat with me, become a member. It costs $2, or you can do the super chat. I just posted up my updated portfolio on YouTube. These are my buys and sells. If you want to see them in more real time, you can click on the 4 links here, go under the WAP, pay the monthly membership, and you'll be able to get access to that as well. There's 2 ways to see the YouTube portfolio and my active buys and sells.